How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Tacoma Beast channel, where, as you all know, it's all about the taco. Today I'm hanging out with Dirt King, and I just saw this Tacoma back here. It's one of their customers. It's absolutely insane, and I just really wanted to show you. We have Nick with us here. He's gonna be showing us around. How's it going, Nick? How are you, man?
Good. How you guys doing? This is a 2017 Tacoma. We just finished another round of modifications on. Let's show you guys what we did.
So let's start in the front and make our way all the way to the back. What's that bumper, man?
Starting from the front, this is a custom-made bumper that the customer fabricated. It houses 5 Baja Designs LP6s, 3 clear spots, and then 2 ambers. Everything's controlled by a Switch Pros SP9100. This bumper is a custom design. You basically cut off the front of the frame. It gives you a very good approach angle on the skid plate, more ground clearance than the factory bumper, and it allows you to mount all your lighting options as well.
Dude, that's a lot of lights, man.
Yeah, plenty of light for a truck like this. Keeping on the exterior, we got Fiberwork 6-inch fenders. So these are carbon fiber 6-inch fenders, as well as bumper caps. These are mounting into the factory mounting locations, allows you to keep your factory hood, factory headlights.
Do you know how much that's sticking out?
This is a 6-inch bulge and a 2-inch rise.
Sick, man. What does it have for suspension?
Suspension, it's got our Dirt King Fabrication 3.5-inch long travel kit. This is 3.5 inches over. It's a boxed upper, boxed lower. It has our bypass hoop kit, King 2.5 bypass, 2.5 coilover, as well as a 2.0 bump stop. So it's a tight packaging in there with all the options, but it all fits.
Dude, how much travel can you get out of this?
This gets 13.5 inches of travel.
13.5?
Yep.
That's nice. Man, on a taco, that's a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, it's plenty. They do really well. And then tires, it's got 37, 12, 50, 17 BFG KO2s, and then some Method 105 beadlock wheels.
Sick. What was it? What did you say the tire size was?
37s, yeah, 37, 12, 50, 17.
Now, do you know if this truck is re-geared by any chance?
It is, yeah. It's got 529 gears on it, and it's tuned as well.
Perfect. Now, I was driving it around, and I noticed that.
Yeah.
I noticed it feels really
yeah,
nice.
it's really responsive. It's got solid off-road motor mounts in it as well. That helps. Between that, the gears, and the tune, it's a really solid package on 37s.
Oh, dude, I agree, man. Let's move on to the back.
So in the rear, we have Fiberwork 6-inch bed sides as well to match the front. These are the standard fiberglass configuration. This has the same tire wheel package, obviously, in the back. We built custom bedside supports for it. It's got our full long travel package in the rear. So that's gonna be our prefab bed cage. It's got a King 3.0 by 16 3.2 bypass, King 2.0 by 2.0 bump stops, frame plate kit, and spring under kit. The rear package on this is about 18 inches of travel.
18 inches of travel, man.
Yeah, we notched the frame for the most bump travel out of any of the kits on the market, and it's a really, really well-performing kit.
So the reason why we're here right now, guys, is because we're actually installing this same kit on our product manager's Tacoma. He's got a 2nd gen, and I just really wanted to show you because it's very few times that I see a really nice, clean 3rd gen pre-runner, and this is it, guys. This kit is just absolutely insane.
Yeah, this one's built really well, really tastefully modded, real good attention to detail, quality parts. It's a very nice package. All of these are pre-manufactured parts. Nothing's a custom item, so these can all be ordered directly off the website.
Hell yeah, dude. Sweet. Anything else that you would want to point out that you like about this truck? Does it have a rear bumper?
Just a couple other modifications. It does have a factory bumper for right now. We're working on the 3rd gen plate rear bumper. We did just do a derail transcooler in there as well. We plumbed that up to the transmission. And then we did the Switch Pros, all the lighting in there, Evil Manufacturing 3rd brake light with a Baja Designs S2. So all of his lighting's covered as well.
This thing is dialed. Does the customer want anything else, or he's done?
I think he's just gonna do a bumper. He's talked about a couple other modifications, but I think he's done for now. Coming up on desert season, I think he's ready to use it.
Hell yeah. All right, fellas, that about wraps it up for this build walk around. Short and sweet. I just really wanted to show you all this 3rd gen, one of the cleanest ones out there. Really love what Dirt King did with it. You guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. If you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.